Often overlooked, slow and steady, the humble snail is a silent contributor to the balance of our ecosystems. These small shelled creatures hold secrets of resilience and ecological importance, hidden beneath their unassuming exterior. Today, we delve into the remarkable role of snails in our environment, particularly their impact on soil health and how we can safeguard their future. Snails and soil health. Snails are nature's recyclers. As they move through their habitats, they consume decaying plant matter, fungi, and even algae. This seemingly mundane task is vital, breaking down organic material into nutrient-rich compost, which enriches the soil and supports plant growth. But snails don't stop there. Their movement helps aerate the soil, creating tiny channels that allow water and air to penetrate, supporting microbial activity essential for healthy soil ecosystems. The calcium from their shells, when they decompose, adds an extra boost to soil fertility. The treat snails face. Despite their importance, snails are under threat. Habitat destruction from urban development and agriculture has drastically reduced their natural environments. The widespread use of pesticides and herbicides not only kills snails directly, but also depletes the organic material they rely on for survival. Climate change adds another layer of danger, with prolonged droughts and extreme weather disrupting their delicate ecosystems. How we can help. Protecting snails starts with creating environments where they can thrive. Here are a few simple steps we can take. Reduce the use of harmful chemicals in gardens and farmlands. Opt for organic farming and natural pest control methods. Maintain compost heaps. They provide food and shelter for snails while also enriching the soil. Plant a variety of native plants. These not only support snails, but also other vital species in the ecosystem. Educate others, especially children, about the importance of snails. Appreciation can lead to action. A world with health soil. When we care for snails, we care for the soil, the plants, and ultimately ourselves. A healthy snail population is a sign of a thriving ecosystem, a reminder that every small creature has a role to play in the grand web of life. So, next time you see a snail, take a moment to marvel at its quiet contribution to our planet. Protecting them is not just about saving a single species, but about nurturing the health of our shared home, the Earth. Let's care for the small, for they hold the key to something great.